नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं अमिता अपने चैनल आरजे अमिता की बात में एक बार फिर से आप सभी का अभिनंदन करती हूं। दोस्तों, ज्योतिष भारतीय परंपरा का एक अहम हिस्सा जो लोगों का मार्गदर्शन करने में सक्षम है। आजकल लोग भाग्य को सुधारने के लिए कई चीजों का सहारा लेते हैं। आजकल लोग भाग्य सुधारने के लिए ज्योतिष के अलावा वास्तु, फेंग शुई, टैरो कार्ड और न्यूमरोलॉजी का सहारा लेते हैं। तो हमने सोचा इसे भी हम अपने चैनल का हिस्सा बनाएं। लास्ट वीक के एपिसोड में हमने आपकी मुलाकात मिस एशिया पैसिफिक शैली महेश्वरी गुप्ता से करवाई थी। बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि वो एक फेमस एस्ट्रोलॉजर भी हैं। आज वो हमें न्यूमरोलॉजी के अनुसार प्रेडिक्शन बता रही हैं। सीधे चलते हैं शैली महेश्वरी गुप्ता के पास।
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ शैली महेश्वरी गुप्ता। आई एम एन एस्ट्रोन्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट एंड ऑल्सो अ टैरो कार्ड एंड फेंग शुई एक्सपर्ट। और जैसे आप सबको पता है, लॉकडाउन की तो डेट एक्सटेंड हो गई है एंड स्टिल पीपल आर वेरी फेयरफुल कि 3 मई के बाद भी ये ना हो कि एक्सटेंड हो जाए. So I just want to tell you कि according to astrological and numerological prediction, definitely there is a danger because like Mars, like यानी मंगल और शनि और जो जुपिटर हैं, बृहस्पति है, वो कंजंक्शन में है in Capricorn sign. So which causes a lot of fear, danger, and we all have to take precautions. So stay safe, stay at home. That is the main thing nowadays, because the more you are at home, the more you indulge yourself in your home activities and don't go out. That is for your entire country. It is very good, and you are doing something, a great contribution to the country. So in that case, I am just going to spread for every number, for every ruling number, the cards which are the suggestions cards and the precautionary cards, which will tell you what these numbers, like आपके नंबर को जो रूलिंग नंबर है, क्या precautions लेने चाहिए और क्या अपने आप किस में अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व रखना चाहिए. These are the suggestion cards which will tell you कि yes, how you will spend, how can you spend your time and what you should do in fact at your home, so that it will be beneficial for you. Now first we'll talk about ruling number 1. Let's see what the suggestion card is saying and what the precautionary card is saying, what they have to do and what they have to avoid. Let's see first. So first, your suggestion card is saying set your sights higher, meaning आपको ये करना होगा कि आप अपने लॉकडाउन पीरियड में कुछ ऐसे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज करिए, अपनी स्किल को इम्प्रूव करिए. इनफैक्ट ज़्यादा इंटरटेनमेंट पे ध्यान ना दे के, या ज़्यादा टीवी के सामने ना बैठ के, या नेटफ्लिक्स के सामने ना बैठ के, और सिर्फ गेम्स पे ध्यान ना दे के, आपको कुछ ऐसे कॉन्क्रीट काम करने चाहिए जो आपके आगे के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहे. जैसे कई दिनों से अगर आप सोच रहे हैं किसी स्किल को इम्प्रूव करें जो आपकी कंपनी में आप काम आए या आपके बिजनेस में काम आए, I think so this is the right time what you should do. And that's why it says set your sights higher, increase your standards and expect more for yourself. Don't settle with what you are already, because learning is a process which keeps on going. Now what your precautionary card is saying, that is like 5 of cups it shows. This shows ki there can be what you hear, see all over, it's pandemic and economy is already going down, businesses are going down. So in that case, it shows money losses, and it shows maybe the projects what you thought are not coming up that well, which is happening with everybody. So in that case, so preparation is better and prevention is better than cure, which we say. So that's why you have to be prepared कि this year is not going to be what you expect, कि बहुत जल्दी हर चीज़ आपकी वे से हो जाएगी. So you have to take, nature is showing itself कि what you have to do. So we really have to respect nature, and we also have to stay indoors, and especially September onwards things will improve, but still there is another outbreak which is in December, because the stars are almost like March stars. So we like there is another outbreak, or maybe something will happen, or maybe like maybe economy wise also there is a lot of mishappenings. So in that case there's something dangerous there also in December till February and March. So this whole 2020 and 2021 is tough time for the people, and it will actually show the survival. Now we'll talk about ruling number 2. People whose birth date is like 2 number, or basically the total number comes to 2, like your birth number is 2, they are ruling number 2, like 20, etc. So what their card is saying, like the suggestion card, what it is saying, you are being helped, this is the card which you can just see. This is the suggestion card. So it shows heaven is working behind the scenes. So the universal energy is with you. You don't have to feel at all in tension or depression, because in some way or the other you are being helped by the universe itself. So it's a very good card which has come, and even if you don't see results yet, but you live with a lot of hope, faith and optimism. I feel God is with you. The whole universal energies are with you, so you don't have to worry much about this lockdown period also. So I think so you just relax and just try to make it more productive, and you will see the way, you will get the guidance yourself. And what the precautionary card is saying, it shows the Knight of Wands, which was which shows whatever some important project or some important letter is going to come to you or something. I don't think so you should now take a step for it. Some important project or some important letter is going to come to you or something. I don't think so you should now take a step for it. You should just wait, and if you get an intuition or a guidance, see the signs and then work for it. That's what it's very clear. Like ruling number 2 people should follow these guidelines, what nature itself is showing to them. अब हम देखते हैं कि नंबर 3 वालों के भाग्य में अभी क्या लिखा हुआ है, क्या सजेशन लिखा हुआ है और क्या उन्हें प्रिकॉशन लेने चाहिए. सो वील टॉक अबाउट रूलिंग नंबर 3, पीपल हुज बर्थ डेट इज 3, 30th and 12. These are the people who come under this category. So we'll just see. So the first suggestion card which shows, because I first talk about the positive, then I talk about what precautions you have to take. So the first card is the self-employment type of a card. It shows this, and it shows you are a born entrepreneur. मतलब आप तो born businessman है ही, and your business is surrounded by magical opportunity. So right now I think so this lockdown time period is the right period where you can sit and concentrate on your business and how to increase expand your business. That's the main thing, and you have to be very focused. Whatever your business or job is there, you have to be more focused in bringing good results in that business. And it's actually surrounded by magical opportunity. The more you work out, the more you will get the benefits. So, and obviously the precaution card is showing the Justice card. The Justice card actually shows that whatever you have to do, think about not doing any speculative type of a thing, and not think about short term. The Justice card actually shows that whatever you have to do, think about not doing any speculative type of a thing, and not think about short-term gains or something where you get into some illegal thing. You have to be more under the legalities thing, whatever you are thinking about. So everything should be in a legal way. And now I just want to tell you people should stay at home, and really I'm telling you it's a good thing, because this lockdown time is the only time where you can find yourself. And also, like, you know, you are doing a big contribution to your nation in this way. You're saving a lot of lives. And whatever, according to astrology and tarot cards, the cards are coming, like, you know, people are asking me when this pandemic will end. That's the main question. So it's like, I just tell you, be patient, धीरज रखिए, क्योंकि ये अभी चलेगा. इनफैक्ट जून 29-30 तक ये चलेगा, काफ़ी हाई पीक पे जाएगा. So you have to take more precautions, and my suggestion definitely is to stay at home and follow the rules what our leaders are saying. And then also one thing is, like, you know, कि धीरे धीरे अराउंड जुलाई के मिड से ये धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा डाउन ट्रेंड में आएगा. एंड टिल सितंबर एंड ऑल इट विल बी मोर एट द डाउन ट्रेंड. एंड सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी सो मच कि like, you know, but still coronavirus will stay. This whole year is like this. I'm not making you fearful or something, but definitely I'm making you prepared for it. So preparation is better. And prevention is better than cure.
दोस्तों, ये थी शैली महेश्वरी गुप्ता, जो एशिया पैसिफिक रह चुकी हैं और साथ ही साथ फेमस एस्ट्रोलॉजर भी हैं. इनकी बताई बात आपको बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी, और साथ ही साथ आप कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें टाइप करके लिख कर भेजें कि आप किस तरीके के कार्यक्रम हमारे चैनल आरजे अमिता की बात में देखना चाहते हैं. और अगले वीडियो में हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे एक फेमस कवि जो हमें सुनाएंगे एक कविता. तो बने रहिए आरजे अमिता की बात चैनल के साथ. इसी के साथ आज की वीडियो से मुझे दीजिए इजाजत. नमस्कार.